Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to go and verify Halifax card for Apple Pay. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in halifax.co.uk. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and verify Halifax card for Apple Pay. So now I'll be turning on to the other screen where I'll be having the of course screen where to step by step. So first of all, add card to Apple Wallet. So scan your card or enter the details, go to your Apple Wallet on your phone, and of course scan it and put it in there. Then start the verification prompt. So Halifax must verify your card, so mobile app, SMS OTP, or call bank. Those are your options. Then verify in Halifax app. This is a method A, of course, which you can of course go and do. Go to the application and do it there, or get SMS OTP, of course. This is method B. You can check for that. Then step 5 is to enter code in wallet. So go and basically enter the code in your wallet. So enter the code which you got, and of course the card activated in wallet is step 6. So card ready to use in Apple Pay, and of course this is what we of course wanted at the end. So this is the last step. I'll be going is clearing my camera so that you can see the last step also, and that's basically that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, as always, bye guys.